So the lacquer arrived for me to make these QR coasters that I plan to have for sale before Thanksgiving. I started out by taking my experimental coaster here and taking a Sharpie and making it all quite dark again before I put a fresh coat or its first coat of lacquer ever. I'm hoping this lacquer will help whenever there's condensation or over time that it'll help that Sharpie stay there for a long period of time. It's my first time using lacquer, so I'm really not sure what the result will be. But on initial look, after about 15 minutes, look how shiny it is on this beautiful day. And so I decided to put one more coat, but the initial shine on it looked really, really encouraging. So this one I hit from a few different angles. And then after about another 30 minutes or an hour, it was ready to go. So I'm very happy and very excited. So stay tuned.